Hi, I'm Julie Chapin with CakeSafe, and we're going to be putting out a few new styles of cake combs, and I'm going to show you how I use them with Swiss meringue buttercream. And essentially the trick that I have now been enlightened with is that you refrigerate your buttercream and your cake, once you've iced it, so that it's nice and cold, and then it's kind of a balance of between too cold and not cold enough. So we're gonna see how this goes. But I was able to do some work this weekend with 3 new combs, and I think they came out pretty nice. So I'm gonna just start. And this is the Oliver. And what I was told by, is it who from Belly's Bake Shop? Courtney from Belly's Bake Shop gave me some pointers, because I was not aware that you needed to do this with cold buttercream. But what she did say was, you go around and around and around. You take a little bit off at a time, which is the key. And so it just requires some patience. You just take a little bit off and you go around and around until you have the depth. So this is a 6-inch tier that I did a base coat of buttercream using 6.5-inch acrylic discs. Then I put 7-inch discs, left the 6.5, did the same thing but with 7-inch discs. So now I've got, in theory, a 1/2 inch of buttercream all the way around my cake, so that when I scrape, I still have plenty of buttercream left on the cake. And for everybody, just like normal, that's up to you how much you like, but if you start scraping and you hit cake, that's kind of a bummer. So that's what I did. So the 6.5 is still underneath here, and that's gonna become my guide with the bottom edge of the cake cone. As you can see, this is a buttercream that has speckles in it, so I have some vanilla extract paste that I use because I really like the speckles, and it's a delicious, delicious product. It gives a wonderful vanilla flavor. I'm getting pretty close to being happy with how this looks. So now I'm going to make sure that I clean all of the buttercream out of the little crevices that are in the squares that are indented, so that I don't leave it on the cake when I take my next stroke. So I'm just going to grab some paper towel. turntable so I can hopefully get it in one turn without stopping, so I don't have any edges, you know, any lines, vertical lines where I had to stop and start again. The top edge. This is the same way that I do my, you know, when I'm using the acrylic discs and I take the top disc off and I just really gently touch the edge furthest from me and pull the scraper towards me to hopefully not disrupt the vertical edge, but I can get it smooth on top. All right, I'm happy. So next thing I'm gonna do is take it off of here. I'm gonna place it on a nice cake stand and put a few flowers on it. And then you guys will see this show up on the website when you go to buy the Oliver scraper. And this is what this puppy looks like, all used and loved. And so it's got the same pattern, but it's reversed on the other side. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.